In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Workspace payment method. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the admin console and how to reach the screen where your payment details can be updated safely and correctly. First, open the Google admin console. You can do this by signing in with an account that has billing or super admin privileges. If you manage multiple organizations, double check that you're in the correct admin account and domain before proceeding. It helps to bookmark the console for future billing updates and to avoid switching to the wrong organization by mistake. Once you're on the admin console homepage, go to billing. You'll find billing in the left-hand navigation panel. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu or scroll. Some layouts collapse sections depending on your screen size. The billing area is where Google centralizes subscriptions, invoices, and payment configurations. Next, select payment accounts. This section shows the billing profiles associated with your organization. Think of a payment account as the container that holds your payment methods, billing address, currency, and invoice settings. If your company operates in multiple regions or has separate departments, you may see more than one payment account listed. Now, click the account ID for the payment account you want to update. The account ID opens the details page for that specific billing profile. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the profile tied to the Google Workspace subscription you intend to modify, especially if you manage several domains or currencies. Inside the account, choose Manage Payment Methods. This is the hub where you can review which cards or bank accounts are on file and which one is currently set as the default for future charges. You can also see at a glance if a method is nearing expiration or requires attention. Finally, click Edit next to the payment method you want to change. This opens the form where you can adjust details such as the card number, expiration date, or billing address. Be sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to prevent declines. In some regions, you may be asked for additional verification, and certain payment types vary by country and currency. If your organization uses spending controls, coordinate any updates with your finance team to avoid interruptions in service. That's it. After you make your edits, charges going forward will use the updated information. If you don't see billing or payment accounts, you may need the appropriate admin role. And if something looks different, don't worry. Google occasionally refreshes the interface, but the path remains essentially the same.